Hi, we're Gin Fun, and we're going to tell you all about gin. This particular time, we're going to tell you about the Marks and Spencer's Christmas edition. Now, it's got edible gold in. I felt like I was going to mine that out and sell it again, but I understand you can't do that. It is a liqueur gin. It's 20%, so it is intended to be drunk neat, or maybe with a splash of prosecco on top. We're going to taste it neat and just judge it on its own merits.
Yep.
Say it was the Marks and Spencer's. I'm not sure if it's still available in the shops, but it was the Marks and Spencer's. It's got a nice little light inside, so it illuminates the gold specks. Absolutely wonderful piece of marketing.
It's like one of those little snowball things, isn't it?
It is. It is.
But with gold instead of snow.
Yeah, gold. Those. If ever I thought I'd be able to hold something with gold in instead of.
There you go, John. You're a rich man. A very rich man.
Oh. And the other thing I do like about this bottle.
Go on.
Is when you turn the light on, it automatically turns off after about 30 seconds, so you're not wasting the battery.
How did you know that was going to appeal to you, John? You'll have that for years, won't you?
So shall we taste some?
Let's do it, John. Let's do it. Yeah, the gold is obviously just for looks, because it doesn't, the presentation on there, because it's not going to do anything, is it? The
No.
gold. But it looks pretty. It looks
does
pretty.
look pretty, yeah.
And it looks a fabulous little present.
It is, yeah. It's very nice, and in fact, my daughter and son-in-law bought it as one of my Christmas presents. So it's very, very lovely of them.
Thank you, Holly and Chris.
Yes, thank you, Holly and Chris.
Let's give it a go.
Let's go. You're not going to smell it first.
Oh, sorry, John. I got excited. I'm really sorry. I will smell it with you now if you want to do that.
Well, it smells like quinine. Like it's already got tonic in it. Quinine.
Quinine, yeah, I know what you mean there, yeah. It does smell a little bit odd like that, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't mind.
Right, I've already had a taste, so it's your
Do
turn.
I catch up there? It's quite sweet, isn't it? Clementine is the,
Yeah.
I believe, what they've put inside.
And yeah, very obvious with that Clementine,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah. It's very tasty. It's very sweet. I think if you don't like sweet drinks, you probably wouldn't like this one.
Yeah.
And what do you? I guess there's nothing wrong with that. There's no complexity to it, is there? It is the Clementine sort of taste. Boom, boom.
Yeah, it's kind of one-dimensional, is it? That's what you've got. With that kind of sweetness, so I have to admit, I'm not a massive fan of the kind of sweetness there, and almost a different kind of viscosity in there, different mouthfeel.
Well, syrupy.
Yes, syrupy. That's the word I was thinking. Yes, it does feel like that. So for me, it's a nice little drink, but it's not something I would choose. That's the word I'm looking for.
No, and I think it is sort of very much a seasonal drink, isn't it? You know, sort of Christmassy drink in terms of
Definitely.
that sweetness, because the sort of food, the rich food you're eating
Yeah.
and stuff. So probably it would match that sort of environment very, very well.
Yeah, I can see that. Can you taste the gold?
No, I can't. And I can't even. I can't even feel it in between my teeth. Even.
No, not yet.
And I was wondering actually that, again, that the probably with prosecco, I'd imagine this would be very nice.
Yes, I can see that.
Just
The prosecco in there, just it would tone. Well, you'd have a nice light, delicate flavour of the orange, wouldn't you?
You would,
and
yeah.
I think the prosecco would take away some of the sweetness as well.
Yeah.
I think I could go with that, John. Yeah, I think go with that.
Excellent. Well, I mean, this is a gin that says a liqueur. They can't call it a gin, I understand, technically, because so it is a gin liqueur, or whatever other phrase you wish to use. 20%. I think, yeah, it would be very nice as a sort of cocktail. I splash some prosecco in there, and that will be delicious. So, well, if there are still some around in the shops, guys, or similar types of gin available in your locale, give it a go. Very nice indeed. You seem to have finished it.
Finished. No. I just realised my guilt then as you looked over. Obviously, I've enjoyed it.
Obviously, you enjoyed it, yeah.
What bits of gold though? Can't touch it.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, well, until the next time, guys, when we'll be reviewing some more gin, maybe some whiskey, or our core channel business, which is obviously wine, and all the different types of wine. We'll see you there. Gin, gin.
Gin, gin.